Proverbs 18:10. The name of the Lord is a fortified tower. The righteous run to it and are safe.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you don't know me, my name is Kadi, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved these BOHO knotless braids. Without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. So guys, today's video is sponsored by Waviyhair, and I'm so excited to work with this company. And this company is very passionate about being bold and staying wavy. Not wave, but wavy. So they sent me the 18-inch deep wave human hair, and this is how the packaging looks. Literally, they are so obsessed with their brand that everything in the packaging has the brand. This is how the hair is looking, guys, and I am so in love with the texture of this hair. So we're gonna start this tutorial. As you guys can see, my hair is already washed and prepped, and I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair from ear to ear before I start this tutorial. This is literally the next day because I was so tired and I had to just pre-part my hair the next day. And now we're gonna get straight into this hairstyle. Again, I'm just showing you guys the hair up close so you guys can actually see the texture of this hair. So to make the hair easier to braid with, as you guys can see, the ends are very sharp. I'm gonna go ahead to use some gummy just to add it on the ends, and then I'm just gonna separate it to the size that I want it to be. You can also comb this out and then go ahead and separate it. I did go ahead to use an expression. I used the 1-pack expression, and I cut this into 4 and I pre-stretched it. So I'm just gonna go ahead to start the hair, and I'm starting with the back. For the back row, I'm literally just doing a normal knotless braids, and I'm using this curlers from Amazon. So guys, I'm on the 3rd row, and I go ahead to add some, edge control. You can use any edge control of your choice. For this hairstyle, I did go ahead to use the gummy edge control, but the pink color or the purple color, I think it's the pink color. But yeah, I did go ahead to use the extra hold gummy, and then I start by braiding my head, and I start adding the expression, and then I go ahead to place the curly human hair in between. Obviously, as I do proceed with this tutorial, you guys would see step by step how I am achieving this hairstyle, or should I say how I am placing in the curly piece, and how I'm also adding the extensions into the braids just to add some length to the hair. This hairstyle is such a quick hairstyle. I feel like once you section your hair before starting this hairstyle, it just makes life so much easier. And I also want to say that this is one of the best hair I have used so far. Like, guys, when I mean this hair is so soft, literally when I was braiding this hair, I was just in love with the texture of the human hair. It just feels so nice, and the one bundle alone is so full. I did not even finish the one bundle. They sent me 2 bundles and I did not even finish one bundle. Obviously, it all depends on how full you want this hair to look. So the fuller you would want your hair to look, the more human hair you would have to use. So like I said, if you want it to be very full, then you're gonna have to use at least maybe 4 pieces or 5 pieces, or maybe even 6 pieces in between the braids. That's if you want it to be very full. What I did for this hairstyle, especially at the back, when I started, I think from the 2nd row, I only used like 2 pieces of the human hair on each braids, and then as I work my way up, I started increasing the human hair. I think I started using like 3, and then when I got to the front, I started using like 4. Like I said, it all depends on how full you want the hair to look. For me, I didn't really want it too full. Like, I feel like because I usually do this type of hairstyles anyways, like all the time, and this was like a tutorial that I really needed to get out the way as well. So usually what I would do is I would curl the hair with the rollers at the end, But with this hairstyle, because I just got this like rollers from Amazon, and obviously they're small and it's gonna give me that curls that I want, because I feel like I love curly hair. I love when my hair is curly, but I feel like I never get it to the way that I want it to look like, to get the proper bouncy curls. And I feel like these curlers are literally going to do the job. So I wanted to make sure that every single braid has the curlers, so the hair will be like proper curly at the end. So yeah, that's why I went ahead to individually curl the ends. So I'm just working my way up, and I'm literally doing the same thing. There's nothing, like, this tutorial is not like difficult. It's very straightforward once you know how to place the curly bits and how to place your expression. Finally, guys, I am on the last braid. I was just over it. I just couldn't wait to get this hair out the way. I hope this was helpful, and obviously this video is a bit longer because I just wanted to take my time and for you guys to see what I am doing in this tutorial. Yeah, so this is the last piece, and all I'm going to do is to dip this hair in hot water and then just style it and define the curls. yeah guys, so now that the hair is done, I'm gonna go ahead to dip the ends in hot water. I'm gonna make sure I remove the curly hair and just dip the the end part of the hair into the hot water without the curly hair. You can always dip the curly hair if you want, but I didn't want to do that for this video. And now I'm just gonna go ahead to take out the rollers, and you guys can see those curls are juicy. Like, it's so curly, and I'm so happy that the hair actually came out curly, because usually I don't get it to look as curly. So I am so happy. So this is the final stage. I'm just using the olive oil mousse to apply this on the hair. This is just to like define the curls and just lay any flyaways. And you guys can see the hair came out so cute, and it just looks so nice. The curls are just so easy to deal with. It doesn't get too tangled. Obviously this is the first day that I was using it, but the hair just feels so nice. So for me to get that bob look, I just went ahead to cut the hair. I just went ahead to cut this like in a straight line, nothing special, not difficult. Literally just bring everything forward and just use your scissors to cut it in a straight line. Because the actual expression was very curly, I didn't really have to do much with that. I literally just kind of just trim the ends of the human hair and whatever expression that was sticking out, like in terms of the curls. If it was too long, you just go ahead and cut that. That's all I did. As you guys can see, this is something different in terms of the ends. I've never actually got my hair to look like that, or the curls to look like that. I just feel like it's just different with the human hair, and it looks really cute. And then I just went ahead to do my edges. Yeah, I feel like at this point I have no edges. My hair at the front is just thin, and I'm just over it, guys. So I went off to do my makeup, and this is the final look, and this is how the hair turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. It's obviously cute, it's simple, straightforward, and the hair is so beautiful. It's very easy to work with as well. So you guys make sure you check out Waviyhair. I am gonna put all the details in the description below. I also get a discount code for you guys to use in case you guys want to purchase this hair. You guys can use my discount code to get some money off. The good thing about this bob knotless braids is that it's so versatile. You can actually achieve different hairstyle with this bob knotless braids. You can achieve all up, half up, a bun, whatever you want to achieve with this hairstyle, because it is so flexible. That's why I love a bob knotless braids. As you guys can see, I did go ahead and achieve different looks with it, and this is how the back is looking. It's full, the curls are curling, the length is just beautiful, and yeah, I just love it. So make sure you guys like this video, comment what you guys think about this tutorial, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell to get notified for whenever I do post a new video, so you guys don't miss out on my tutorials. So yeah guys, I will see you all in another video. Bye.